In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistency with templates in Clickup. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure that every task meets your specific standards and requirements. If you're ready, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Clickup website. It's the all-encompassing app for work that many people have come to rely on for its comprehensive project management solutions. Once you're there, look towards the top right of your screen and find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked on login, you'll see a prompt for different sign-in options. Here, select the option to sign in using Google. This is a straightforward method for those who already have their Google accounts integrated with various platforms. Next, you'll be directed to a Google account selection page. Choose the account you want to use with Clickup. This step is crucial because it ensures all your tasks and templates are synced correctly between Clickup and your Google account, allowing you seamless access later. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the task that you want to use to create your consistency template. Browse through your dashboard and find that specific task. It's essential to choose a task that fully represents the structure you want to replicate. Once you have your task selected, make sure it contains all the elements you need, such as custom fields, subtasks, and checklists. These components are vital because they ensure that every task you create from this template will have the necessary fields and steps included, saving you from repetitive setup in the future. With your task ready and verified, find the three-dot menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, select Templates. This is where we'll access the function to create a template. In the template section, choose the Save as Template option. It's at this point you'll be prompted to name your template. Give it a name that clearly reflects its use, making it easy to identify later. Finally, click on Save Template. This will save the current task structure as a reusable template, ready for you to apply to any similar task moving forward. If prompted, confirm that you want to save the template again to ensure it's completely stored. And that's it, you've successfully created a consistency template in Clickup. Now you can replicate this task structure across your projects, ensuring every task has the same thorough setup. By investing just a bit of time up front, you've streamlined countless future tasks, making your workflow more efficient and consistent. Thanks for tuning in today.